Dr. Miller and Rita really went the extra mile with me. I had some problems with my teeth. I wanted to get that Hollywood smile. Being in the media, I wanted to make sure that I had the edge and wanted to make sure that I looked good. And I didn't think it could ever happen. Dr. Miller, in less than 3 visits, gave me the smile I've always wanted, gave me everything and the confidence that I needed. And so I'm just very happy that I came to Ventry Dental. I've had very few people, except people I've known in the past, that didn't realize that I had it done. People that I meet now, they don't see that it's a cosmetic procedure because it looks so real. He takes the time and the detail to make sure that everything looks perfect. It's like you're dealing with family, and that's what I really felt like when I came here. It was a family atmosphere. It was a good friend who was working on you. If you had any concerns, he stopped the procedure immediately and made sure he explained everything to me, so I knew what was going on, and that's the most important thing. Most dentists that I've dealt with in the past, they just want to go ahead and get the work done and move to the next chair. Dr. Miller actually took the time, and he was concerned about my benefit. And that's what I felt like. I had a family member on my side, and I had a good friend.